Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into an incredible story of resilience and strength. It's about what happens after the operating room doors close and the journey to recovery begins. This is about heart surgery recovery. Imagine waking up from a major surgery with a scar that tells a story. A story of survival, courage, and an unwavering will to live. In the first days post-surgery, every movement feels monumental. Even sitting up in bed requires a team of supporters. But the spirit to overcome is stronger than the pain. Physical therapy starts almost immediately. It begins with simple exercises. Lifting a leg, moving an arm. These small actions are the first steps towards reclaiming independence. Day by day, patients begin to walk again. First, just a few steps with assistance. Then, down the hallway. And eventually, jogging on a treadmill. Nutrition plays a crucial role too. A balanced diet helps speed up recovery and strengthens the heart. Fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins. Every bite is a step towards a healthier future. Mental strength is just as important as physical strength. Meditation, mindfulness, and support groups provide emotional resilience. It's about believing in yourself and knowing you're not alone. Recovery isn't linear. There are setbacks and tough days, but perseverance turns those days into milestones. And finally, after weeks or months, the day comes when you can say, I did it. A heart surgery survivor with a newfound strength and appreciation for life. So here's to the warriors who fight back from heart surgery. Your journey is inspiring, and your strength is unbreakable. Thanks for watching. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting stories. Take care and stay strong. Caption: From surgery to strength, the incredible recovery journey after heart surgery.